Hey guys, so big shocker. I have a haul. Spent too much money because that's my jam now. So I got some things, a couple things from Sephora and a couple things from Ulta. Um, for Sephora, let's see, I got some samples. This is Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup and a Laneige lip. What the hell is this? Treatment balm. Say, Psycho Eyes. There's a panther walking behind me. I also got a mini, and I mean the sucker's mini. This is, I already ripped it to shreds because you know I tried this shit. This is Tarte, what's your B? Creaseless Concealer, which is a lie. And I got the shade, what's your B? Light, medium, neutral. I hate this under my eyes, but I don't generally wear concealer under my eyes. But it's really good for carving. I'll be carving, I'll be sculpting. And then the last thing I have that I've always wanted to try, and they were on sale, and I'm all about the cheap. I got the Bite Change Maker Primer and the Change Maker Foundation. The color I got was 59 Warm or 59W. I'm not usually a warm. I'm not usually a cool. I'm usually neutral. Uh, but I had to go with what I could go with. And that's what this looks like. So, jury's still out on this. I'm not quite sure if I like it or not yet. But that's what these look like. And that's it for Sephora. And for my Ulta haul, they had their spring sale, so a lot of stuff was like buy one get one free or 50% off or something. I got the Black Violet Revlon Color Stay. That's on my eyes today. And I just kept the packaging so I could show you people. It's got a little smudgy smudge. Oh, shit, I just lost the cap. Oh well, I ain't never gonna use it. And this is what it looks like. It's really dirty now. It's just a really pretty black violet shift. I like it so much. I got these cats creeping up on me. A very sad experience is the Coast to Coral from ColourPop. I have never had a bad ColourPop palette until this. One, it's not very corally, but it just it just crumbles. It's like, ugh. It's so crumbly and gross and so much fallout, and I've never, ever, ever had a bad issue with them. So I'm really sad. But that's okay. Rinse them, loosen. Next, I have the Undone Unfoundation Glow Tint, and this is in soft beige medium 435. And that's what this looks like. That's what I have on my face today. It's just really pretty light coverage. Exactly what it says. Next, I have Mood Flick. Who is this from? Good Lord, I should put my... colors out of retrograde. Would you be? J-Cat. J-Cat, J-Cat. And these are really cool. I like them. So it's nice and pinky. Look at that. And it looks like this on your hand. It just gives that little juice. I like it. I like it. Well, of course I like it. It's sparkly. And I'm all about that. And first time trying Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Blossom Show. And I broke it. I broke the top off. It's just hanging on by a thread. That's what this looks like. And it is freaking beauty-miss. Beauty-miss, beauty-miss, beauty-miss. Boom, boom. I've been blowing my nose, so yeah. It's not gonna look the best. Next I got LA Girl. I have a cream, soft matte cream blush, and I am wearing these today. The little red. What would a video be without Crackhead Kevin? These are great, and they're super cheap, but I really like them. What you doing, Cub? That's it there. Look how pretty that is. I think this is the one I have on today, actually. I don't know. And I got another one of them, and Rosebud. And this one's really beautiful as well. And that one is up there. See, you're so beautiful. It's a beauty miss, so beauty miss. And then I got this makeup primer spray by JCat, and this is hot lava bullshit. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna try to spray it. It has the worst freaking pump that just drops bullshit all over your eyes. So yeet garbage, immediate garbage. Oh, and then I got another one of these Mood Flicks. Oh, by the way, they're supposed to change colors too. And this one is in Mood Swing. I just love it on your lips. It's so pretty. And this is like a soft. What's this one? And they change colors. And I don't know, 12-year-old me gets my hot jollies off of it. I got an Essence Prime Studio Skin Blurring Putty Primer. This is pure shit. It's shit. That's a garbage one. And then I got an LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. And one, oh, this is a highlight. Oh, this is called Highlight. I haven't even opened it yet. I love, love, love this as a freaking bronze or contour. I have a cat creeping under the blanket, so I see my blanket going up. And it's crazy crackhead Kevin, so I kind of don't trust him. I think I might get some claws up my ass. I haven't tried the highlight one yet. Stupid me. I haven't even opened it yet. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Ugh, son of a bitch. I didn't know if it was hard. So she's white. Oh. And these come with these little brush tips. And I found in the dark one it can be a little messy. So I've just been squeezing the tiniest on my hand. Oh wow, this is really pretty, and I was sleeping on it. I don't know if you can see it over my little knuckle bone. But it's pretty. And then I got a JCat Contour Quad, and I've only used this once. I'm just trying to find that right color. This is not as yellow as it looks on there. So I'm going to play with this some more. Because that's what I do. That's my jam. And the last thing that I always wanted to try is the Flower Beauty Powder Spray. Now, I think in the summer I'm going to enjoy this a lot more than I do now just because my skin's so dry. It's so dry. But it's so strange that it actually puts powder out, you know? You know? Why do I look so yellow? I don't look like that in person, I promise. And then, I got some freebies. Because who doesn't like a good freebie? And I'm just going to go through these quickly because they're all part of this freebie thing. The freebies. I haven't done anything with these yet. We've got a Guess What? You'll Be Naked in a Minute coffee scrub by Frank Body. I've seen it. I've never tried it. I've got Pure Bondi Sand, some kind of tanning crap. I don't mess with that. We got some Pixie Glow Tonic. We have Derma C Vitamin C Concentrated Serum. Got some hemp. Pink Citron Mimosa Flower. This smells amazing because, of course, I gotta smell everything. We've got some La Roche-Posay Anti-Age Hyaluronic Acid Serum. We've got the Winky Luxe Pink Cashmere Gentle Exfoliating Gentle Daily Facial Cleanser with Glycerin Petals. And it actually looks really pretty. And then I got two more things left in here. I got me some Vichy Lift Active B3 serum, which is funny because I'm going to go get a B12 shot today. We've got Sky High. This is not my favorite mascara, but whatever. It's an emergency thing, you know. And then I got the Mega Babe Thigh Rescue Anti-Friction Stick. That'll come in handy because not only do I got Mopsy and Flopsy, I got Thunder and Lightning, and they come together a lot. So that's it. That is my little haul. Hope you guys have a great day and don't do anything I went to, and I can't think of anything funny to say. I'm in a rush because between work and a doctor's appointment, I'm like, oh, fuck. But, you know, whatever. It is what it is. Bye, y'all.